Want to know how to link characters for maximum team bonuses in Dokkan Battle? So today, let's talk about linking characters for maximum power. Each character in Dokkan Battle has link skills. These activate when units with similar links fight together. For example, Saiyan units often share links like Super Saiyan or Prepared for Battle. The more they fight together, the higher their link level grows. It can grow up to level 10. So basically, higher links mean stronger buffs like more attack, defense or KI. To level links faster, run Quest Stage 23-28 or link level events repeatedly. Keep your team consistent so link develops over time. That's the secret, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you link characters for maximum team bonuses in Dokkan Battle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.